Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can use vending machine in Escape from Duckov. So what you'll need to do is basically go to the bunker. This is the stage after the prison. So just simply go here in the center and you'll see the vending machine and just go to it and interact it. And as you can see, like I have some rusty bullets or whatever, and I can sell it for some coins. So I can have 60 coins if I sell it, and right here you can buy some things from the vending machine. So it is like a trading thing, and that's how you use it. So basically interact it, and you can buy it from this page and sell it to it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video is helpful, please make sure to comment down below, and we see you in the next one.